Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the language. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what you're first going to do is grab your remote, click on this home button icon so you reach this page here. And then where it says quick settings, you want to go ahead and click on quick settings. And then where it says all settings, you want to go ahead and click on all settings. And then go ahead and scroll all the way down, click on system. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on where it says language. So this is where you can go ahead and change your language. You could also change your country, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the language on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.